Making money online with ChatGPT in 2025 is no longer just a trend. It has become a real opportunity for thousands of people around the world. Whether you're looking to quit your job, start a side hustle, or build a new digital business, ChatGPT can help you do it faster, easier, and smarter than ever before. The first thing most people are doing is offering services powered by ChatGPT on freelancing websites. You don't need to be a tech expert or professional writer. All you need is to know how to use ChatGPT to create valuable content, like blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, or even full YouTube scripts. Clients are willing to pay for fast, high-quality results. You can create a Fiverr gig that says, "I will write your blog with the power of AI," and deliver results in hours instead of days. But freelancing isn't the only way. People are now building digital products using ChatGPT. For example, you can use it to write an ebook in a week, design a set of motivational Instagram captions, or create a course outline. Package it, upload it to Gumroad or Etsy, and sell it while you sleep. Prompt packs are also exploding right now. These are collections of powerful prompts you sell to other people who want to use ChatGPT better. They're easy to make and can generate passive income. Another huge opportunity is content creation. You can use ChatGPT to write your YouTube videos, TikToks, or Instagram Reels. If you're shy on camera, use AI-generated voiceovers. Start a channel where you explain how ChatGPT works, how to use AI in daily life, or share real success stories of people making money online. Meta content about AI using AI, is trending, and people are hungry for information they can act on right now. You can also offer mini-agency services. With ChatGPT, you can manage multiple clients at once, running their social media, writing their newsletters, managing their blogs, all with smart automation. Add value by editing and polishing the output, and you'll stand out from the generic AI spam. What's working best in 2025 is combining ChatGPT with other tools. Use Canva for design, Notion for planning, and ChatGPT to generate the copy or strategy. Create full marketing kits, lead magnet packages, or coaching templates, all with AI's help. The best part? You don't need to invest thousands to start. You can begin with free tools, upgrade as you grow, and let your income fund your next move. The key is not to rely only on AI. It's to add your touch, your judgment, and your unique spin to what ChatGPT gives you. If you're serious about building income online in 2025, this is your moment. AI isn't replacing people. It's replacing people who refuse to adapt. Learn how to use it, offer value, and position yourself ahead of the curve. This is not the future. It's happening right now.